In this video, I will show you how to change your Kraken password. So first, just go and install the Kraken app. So you can see right here the sign in screen. You will see on top of continue, it says forgot password or username. So if you want to change your password, just click forgot password and here enter the email address you used to sign up and then click continue. Then they will send you an email with a link in it, and if you click on that link or button, it's then going to redirect you to a page where you can change your password. So the email looks something like this. From here, just scroll down a little bit and click create new password. And then from here, you can set a new password and retype it. And then you can acknowledge that once I change my password, any new withdrawal addresses I add will be under a temporary security hold for up to 24 hours. And then just going to click save in the bottom. And then you have created a new password for your Kraken account. So that's how to change your Kraken password. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.